Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and identifying the exact network adapter name. You need this to avoid changing the wrong device. Once done, record the adapter's current physical address. That is your backup if you must revert. Next, open Device Manager using Win+X and expand Network Adapters. This immediately places you where Windows stores advanced adapter settings, so you can follow the next steps without interruption. You will change the registry key tied to that adapter's GUID so Windows reports a new MAC address. This is more persistent than temporary tools. First, locate the adapter's GUID under Properties Right Arrow Details. Write it down. Then open Regedit and navigate to the class key for network adapters. Locate the subkey matching your GUID. Create or edit the network address string value, entering exactly 12 hexadecimal characters. You apply the change by disabling and re-enabling the adapter or simply rebooting. That forces Windows to read the new registry value. Then verify with ipconfig/all or by checking the adapter properties where the network address should show your new 12-digit value, ensuring no separators were used. If it does not take effect, remove the network address entry, restore the original physical address you recorded earlier, and restart. One key troubleshooting tip. Some drivers ignore registry overrides. Update the driver or use the vendor utility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.